Hi guys, it's Krishanti with Krishanti.com, and I'm here every week with new videos about psychic development and spiritual and personal growth. So if you're into this topic, come on over and subscribe. I'd love to see you here. And this week I'm discussing one of my favorite energy healing systems, which is Bengston Image Cycling. I've made a few videos about it. There's actually a whole playlist if you'd like to learn more, but it's such a cool technique. What I love about it is it really helps you to manifest what you want in your life with your cycling, where you make a list of at least 20 things you really want to have. And then you spin them, you like cycle them in your mind. And then that generates an energy that comes out at first of your left hand, little spot right here, that can heal a lot of physical ailments. If you're interested in learning more, check out bengstonresearch.com. Bill Bengston is the pioneer of all of this, and he's got so much info at that website. But the thing about Bengston that is so interesting is we as humans have a tendency to want to control things. So when it comes to healing the body, we want to control what gets healed and what gets healed in what order. But what I've learned about Bengston energy is that that energy will go to where the body has a need first, regardless of what you think. One of my favorite Bengston practitioners, John Levac, was talking about working with someone who had cancer and then had injured another part of their body. And when he was treating that person, the energy went to the other injury, the more recent injury first, and not the cancer. And while the person was like, I think there was a discussion about all of that, but while we tend to think, this is the priority, this is what I need fixed, because this is what's going to kill me, the body might think, wait, no, this needs to be fixed first. And you guys, I've actually felt this firsthand. I was receiving Bengston as a healee, like I was getting the energy. And it was going, you can feel it when it's coming into your body. It's like, for me, I experience it as this like warm sensation. And it was going to what I thought I had a problem with my kidneys, but where it was going was technically the ileocecal valve, which needed help. And in my mind, I'm like, well, this doesn't matter about anything, but the body has an intelligence and it knows. So recently, because actually of a friend of mine, Maria, who has started saying this in our practice groups, we practice this energy, she has started saying the energy just knows where it needs to go. As opposed to saying like, okay, I know I'm sick, or I have this ailment, I want the energy to heal that. Instead, just to let the energy flow. So I started doing that. Okay, the energy knows where it needs to go. And immediately I could feel it coming into a space like kind of right around here. And that happened a while ago too, before I had this other thing. I'm healthy, but we've all got things going on. And it's interesting, you can really feel it like just going where the body has a need. So it's sort of beyond our control. And it speaks to not only the intelligence of the energy, but the divine intelligence of the human body, taking that energy and using it where it needs it the most, regardless of what we think. And again, it also speaks to just how much we like to have control, but there is a higher, more infinite intelligence at play here. And I just think it's so fascinating. So if you're interested in learning more about Bengston, check out the links below. I'll link to his site, and I sometimes do Bengston workshops. So Bill teaches it, but I co-host or host. So check that out. But it's really just such an incredible energy healing technique. And the more you practice it, the more you learn about it, and the more you learn about yourself. So if you're interested, check it out. And on that note, that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.